So hi guys. I don't know if you know me, but you must know me.
Now you know me.
Right?
You know her.
We are at
Crazy Plastics.
Crazy Plastics. We are actually, what are we doing? Looking for sweets. I love sweets, guys. Personally, that's why I have sweet tooth. So we're planning an event, right? We're planning an event, and the event is fundraising. So we're planning on like selling sweets, food. So we're looking for sweets right now. I'm with Miss, the main channel, Miss, and the other Miss is over there. Kid Zozo. That's Kid Zozo. Say hi, Kid Zozo. What did you find?
Not if you're calling me Cat Zozo.
What did you find?
Look at that 50 rand.
I don't know.
Girl, pause the video and she tell me.
This girl was under a ladder. What the heck?
How are you gonna sell them? In a plastic.
Do we get the clear?
People like things with barcode. We put, you know that drug code zip?
Yes.
That one.
And even when they were selling outside our primary school, they told us we're not supposed to buy it. Crazy. They don't know what they put inside.
So you want these ones and those ones?
Okay, let's check.
those ones?
Let's check these ones. These look like crazy pops.
Here's Crazy Pops.
Oh, they are crazy.
Guys, this is our childhood.
I feel like buying for myself.
I bought,
60 rand.
dude. Where did I get them
For a
from?
whole box.
Yes, and there's 48.
Westpac, I once bought them for like 150.
No, Westpac I got them for 60. I mean, even Checkers as well. They had them for like $60.
You think crazy
Guys, they're crazy pops.
will be a good idea?
If it's a hot day, I feel like
Cause it's in
we
March.
can have a water, and then if you have Crazy Pops as well while they're playing the games hard, they will sell.
Okay, crazy pops is an option.
60 rand.
Yes.
Aish.
Hey, my brother, I'm so...
Yo, askis ish. Lele.
I'm so
OS. Those are you've never had those fingers, chocolate fingers, Cadbury fingers. Yeah, Cadbury fingers.
Are they mushy?
They crunchy. Look at
It's
them.
like, what's it called?
I really want to
Chocolate
get
inside.
these, bro. I really want to get them. So you say this is for punch,
My favorite gum.
bro?
Gum. Even Fireball.
I wish they had
Fireball. My thing was so zoomed in. Oh, and this has got a bunch of. Please don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
I want to take it out, but I'm fragile.
Yeah.
Hi? They're all fresh.
Yeah.
I want to see.
No, try and take it one out. There we go.
Yeah, it's a
See, it's
sweet
like a
bucket.
mix of.
Look, it's got...
Ooh, wow.
I can buy this for myself.
Right. Just keep it in your room for
How
those
much is
days.
this? This is 150.
150.
So one packet, probably. Optional.
She doesn't like wine gums. No, come speak to the camera and tell the camera why you don't like wine gums.
wine gums.
Why?
They're so overrated.
What?
That don't look like wine gums.
Girl, what do you mean you don't like wine gums?
And then she says she's overrated.
What? Overrated is crazy. It's not. Wine gums are never overrated, bro. You're overrated.
They overrated.
No, you're overrated. Look here.
They don't have.
You're overrated.
No, I'm not.
You're overrated.
I want the fang gummies.
Huh?
The fangs. You know?
Oh, the fangs. They should be in the front.
They should have.
We'll go check them.
Mariah Carey.
Where's Mariah
that's why.
Carey?
America does not look like that.
Guys, this is a signature Bobby. Look at it. Who's that? I don't know who that is. Who's that?
Ken.
That mariachi Ken. Coco Ken.
Alright.
Anyways, it's somebody.
Mexican Ken.
They did you dirty, girl. You look like that.
Yeah, she does.
Look at that cheeks. Look at that mouth.
Yo.
But I like her dress.
Very nice dress. Guys, we're in Toys R Us. Looking at Bobby's. This was my section. Bobby. My section.
I used to think I was gonna date Ken when I was young.
I had this. You see this closet?
I also had the closet.
I had a closet. Guys, wait. Look.
Yes. Watch me show up to school with this thing.
I think it survives on batteries though.
Like, I'm not a white.
Guys, look. They have a blind Bobby.
A blind. Look at her eyes. They even squint. You. They made blind
Did you see the
Bobby's
blind
eyes
Bobby?
squint.
Yeah.
He's blind.
Bobby's blind.
And that's how she's supposed to look.
Dude, there's a handicap one as well.
They're making something.
No, guys, this is wrong. Who's this black man?
Dude,
Midnight
let's
Ken.
see who's that. Let's see who's this.
Yeah, that's Ken, bro.
No, it's not.
Who is this?
This is not
That's
Ken.
like, there's a Ken. It's Ken.
It's Ken.
It's just Midnight Ken.
It's Ken for black people.
Ursula. From the Bloody Little Mermaid. Look, it's Ursula. Oh my gosh, guys.
Because at my big age, I'll still watch the Little Mermaid.
Look. Look at all of them. Oh yes, it's Haley Bailey. Look at her. So cute. This is adorable. Look at the frozen house. Yes. Yeah, no, she does look good.
Like the at the dead man that they draw on the floor. When a crime happened.
Anyone wants a baby?
No.
No.
Drink and wet doll.
Where's that?
And
Right behind you.
It comes with a nappy. Because the doll wet.
Right behind you. What does it do?
Yeah,
come. Yo. That's not my name.
Yes. Drink and wet drawl, they say.
So it drinks.
Yes. And then it brings it out.
Where does it come out?
What do you think? Where does it come out?
No, just like you.
What do you think? Where does it come out?
But does it come out like processed or just?
No,
No.
just
The same way it goes in, same way it comes out.
whatever
then
you
you must
give
clean it.
inside.
Yes, change the nappy.
Nah, boy.
What does Barbie say? You can be anything. Emma. Emma, wait. Oh. Hello, Emma.
Emma is.
I'm scanning for Emma. We don't know Emma.
Yo, Sally, we are.
This is the plushies. I want the plushies. Oh, guys, look, they've got pots and pans. Damn.
She's thick.
I think she is. Damn. You saw it? You saw it? Did you see that price there?
What the?
What is this? No.
Yes.
Oh gosh, you're gonna get us in trouble, you.
Then what?
Girl, follow the bloody things. Where the light is shining, press.
Where is she?
Green. Yellow. Yellow.
How you see? I'm colorblind.
Jealous whack.
Why don't we have this for game night?
How much is it?
I think
Switch it off.
No, you must get twist.
Yes, twist.
Okay. Oh, look, they got a cupcake. Shut up. You see what you did? You see what you did? It wasn't us. Guys, they've got a vacuum for the kids.
And a washing basin.
The thing is still going on.
And cleaning utensils.
Me.
My little cousin, she loved it.
Look, I also had these, guys. I had this. I was that girl. I had the entire kitchen.
Even the cupcake and the.
You know what I had? I had this. This. Yes. I had a. Bro, I was a cashier. Yes. And I would do it. Is it right? Is it so?
I had this. And this.
You need to break it when you bring us. Bring us to school. Yeah. Guys, look.
Oh, and it comes with money also.
Look, 2023 plus 10.
Peppa Pig.
Ew. Look at these guys.
That would look so nice with the.
Oh my gosh, so fashionable. Yes. Rocket first.
To the bit.
How you can't take the thingies off the glasses?
No. Until you buy it.
Boring.
Good morning, Luca.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yo, why are you taking a video? Look at my eyes. Yo, they bad. This is not right.
We had to be here
This is
at
child abuse.
6:30.
Maybe it's justified. I'm not fighting. He's choosing peace.
It's currently 7 a.m.
Take this.
We are at school. Ask me why. Me, myself, I don't know. We had to be here at 6:30. Who wakes up at 6:30 on a Thursday.
Not even wakes up. You have to wake up earlier than that.
We had to be here at school at 6:30 because there's an event. We have an Italian in the house. And
This is a black man.
everybody spam tabang in the comments. Tabang in the comments.
Big chocolate.
They just called you top deck. Anyway, say bye. What? if I knew if I was gonna and then
If I'm gonna be like this,
yeah.
you wouldn't have taken it.
She can't breathe, guys. Help her. Shaking in my boots.
Guys, I'm never gonna take this. She's back to normal now. Like it comes and goes. It's like I'm I sleep in my own bed now.
You see some of the weird shit.
People are like gonna get
Hey, P. Well, hey, man. Girl, are you okay? Are you okay?
You don't say anything down here. You to the teachers. Which teachers? I'm going to sleep, you see. I've got out to 5.
You. What did you say, Pee-wee? What time are you going to sleep?
5:15.
5:15.
Oh boy, 11:15. Nah.
5:15.
Go
You.
to sleep.
Hmm.
You are guys.
Look at me.
And Michelle is saying that I was just go sleep because now we I'm like this.
Well,
People my head. Room.
she said, my head. Hey, Pee-wee. Oh my gosh. This is gold. This is gold. This is gold.
You're not your
This is so gold. I'm so glad I caught all of that. Yay!
Right. It's from the back. And it doesn't start to be like... That was good. You can't do that, bro. I know you're gonna be...
Baby, you don't know.